Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome, physics students. Welcome back to school. Welcome to term 2. And welcome as well to reading class. Okay, so in our first meeting, we are going to talk about two things. The first one is about how to use myON in term 2. And the second one, we are going to read Gulliver's Travels chapter 7. Okay, so these are what we are going to do today. All right, so how to use myON. Basically, there are two main important points about myON. The first one is that in this term, there will be one compulsory reading per week. Yeah, so every week you will have one reading assignment, and the book is assigned by your teacher. Okay, so in 1 week, you must read at least one book. Okay, and that is the compulsory one. And after you finish reading your compulsory reading, can you still read another book? Of course, you can read as many books as you can in myON. All right. So, how are we going to find? How can we find the assignments? How can we find the compulsory reading? It's easy. You have to go to projects menu over here. You just click that in your my own account, and once you click that, you will be able to see one assignment there. Okay, so you just click here to see your assignment, and you will be able to see the book that you have to read. Okay, so these are our target, everyone. As I said in the beginning, that there will be one compulsory reading in a week. All right, so it means in this term you will have 8 books. Okay, so you have to read in total 8 books. Mr. Idam, what if we can read more than 8 books? Wow, that's great, because if you can only read 8 books, it means you will get bronze medal. But if you read more than 8, for example, 10, 12, 15, you will receive silver medal. And if you can read like the most number of books, you will get the gold medal. All right, so that's why you have to read as many as you can. All right, but the minimum number of books for you to read in term 2 is 8 books. Okay, and those are the compulsory reading given by your teacher. So this is about myON in this term, everyone. Now, let's move on to the Gulliver's Travels. The detailed instruction is actually in Google Classroom. So after this, I want you to go to Google Classroom to find the instructions. Basically, the first one you have to do is to do Quizlet vocab practice. I believe you're familiar with the Quizlet.com. Choose the learn option. After you practice with the learn, you can go to test. Okay, and after you do the Quizlet, you can read chapter 7, and after that do the Google form quiz, and after that click mark as done. All right, I think that's all for the reading instructions. Now please go to Google Classroom to find the detailed instructions. Bye. Assalamualaikum.